Mutaratara wa uria macukuru mekuhingurwo niguo nduria ukoretwo kiria thirikari mutwe kuona grafu ya murimu wa COVID-19 irathio na mbere na kwambatira. Kwarira mutaratara uyu, Ministry ya Githomo yambiriirie na mubango wa uria mask milioni 22 cia arutwo gutumwo iria iratanywo gukahuthika mathukuru mahingurwo niguo kumagitira kumana na COVID-19, kibarua kiria kihokeirwo kambuni cia thirikari cia uthondeki wa ngora igithingata ikiro iria iheanitwo ni thirikari.
And we came up with a prototype which has material that is not too sensitive to the skin. And what we want as a government is that the mask that is produced should be able to cover the nose and mouth and should not be harmful to our children. Once we fully agree on the prototype, then we shall get the pricing. And if the children are to open in September, then the between 22 and 24 million masks should be in school by mid of August this year. We are still debating all together whether or not we should also mask the pre-primary 1 and pre-primary 2 school children. That debate is ongoing. I think we shall reach a consensus. Perhaps it may not be wise to mask them.
Ishera-ini ria Minister wa Githomo George Mangoha kambuni-ini ya guthondeka ngora ya Rivertex mwena wa Eldoret augite ministry ni iraregana na riboti iria irarekereirio ica ikuhi igie ithabu ria iritu aria mohete nda ihinda-ini riri arutwo maraikara micii ni undu wa COVID-19.
But I want to dare say that the numbers look obnoxious and very high. As a physician, I want to tell you that pregnancies don't show before they are over 3 months, and if we are talking about the time this started, the majority of the pregnancies have not shown. Those who are saying they are pregnant, did the children go to them, or how did they know? So we are interrogating that actively, and we shall give a pronouncement. I think the figures are completely outrageous.
Riendekithia ria kiama kia arutani mathukuru ma college na university nikio KUPPET ria kuria arimu a mathukuru ma andu kiumbe mahurwo njeki ni thirikari kuona matikoretwo makiamukira mishara. Mangoha augite ritigoteanirio indi thirikari yambite kurora uhotekeku wa gukinyaniria mendekithia maya.
Even though the government may wish to come to their aid, for now it is perhaps not immediately possible, because the tax being collected has reduced substantially. We have heard what the private schools are saying, but we must continue talking about it, because we really have to find a funding source to expand the responsibility.
President Uhuru Kenyatta eriga kuga ati mitaratara ya uria macukuru mekwambiriria gucokereria kuma mweri wa kenda ni iracirirwo ni thirikari na anyiti itemi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.